3, 2, 1. Good morning, everybody. What's up? It's Josh here with Downstream Diving, and today is an amazing, beautiful day. It's actually like 60 degrees today, so we're gonna get out there, get some amazing content for you guys, and it's gonna be awesome. We're not doing the content here. We're actually going somewhere to do it. So if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Peace. Hey, yo, what's going on, everybody? I don't know if you guys recognize this place, but we actually did a video here during the 7-day vlog series, and that was the one where it was like super dark outside, but we're gonna take you guys along and show you this place. It is so beautiful, and like everything's kind of iced up right now. There's a huge waterfall down there, and it looks super sick. So yeah, we'll get down there and we're gonna walk the trails a little bit and definitely spend some time around the waterfall because it's just immaculate. But we're gonna walk down there and I'll get back to you guys when we're down there. Alright, so we're like on the way back to the waterfall. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but we came upon this huge rock. I know I tried to show you guys when it was night out, but oh man, that lighting is terrible. But, dude, check that thing out. I think I'm gonna try to climb up on it. Oh god, I'm gonna get hurt, but whatever. Alright, so we up here. Oh my god. Guys, everything is icy, so it makes it like 10 times worse. Holy crap. Dude, give me the vlog, I might get up here a little bit, but dude, check this out. Everything's ice. I'm not stepping up here. That's a huge drop. Holy cow. But dude, look at this. This is freaking amazing. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And the other way is better. Let me turn around.
Oh god.
This place is absolutely freaking beautiful. Just wait until we get to the waterfall, guys. It's amazing. I think we're gonna play around on these rocks a little bit. Why not? Okay, so we just went and got our bags. We're going down to the waterfall. It's really loud, but check out this freaking rock wall, dude. It's insane. Like, there's just a bunch of moss on it, and it's really cool. Like, it looks so weird. It looks like a bunch of tattered clothing. I don't know if you guys can, like, it's just kind of sitting there. That's all over the rock. It looks so cool, but I don't know if you guys are ready for this. This thing is solid ice, but holy cow, it's amazing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Guys, that is awesome. And if you don't agree, there's got to be something wrong with you. Look how freaking cool that looks. We're definitely going to get closer, but this is just leads into like a spring with some rocks. Oh my god. We're going to get closer. Let's go. Bro, don't slip. Oh my god. Bro, check out all what we have to get up to. Dude, this is awesome. Guys, I freaking love this. This is so much fun. I haven't been able to go outside and do very much stuff lately. Hence, not many videos, but dude, this is awesome. Oh, wow. Guys. Oh, dude, everything is ice. Bro, check this out. Freaking tree growing out of the side. Oh, this is insane. This is what life's all about, baby. Check this out, dude. It's like natural made ice cubes. This is so cool looking. Holy cow. Oh, man. Look at that, dude. Oh, my hand's so cold. This is insane. Look at this. This is crazy. This is so cool looking. It's all like really bumpy. Oh man, it's so cool. This one looks like a bunch of teeth. Like the tooth part and then it comes down into like a spike. That's awesome. I'm really getting wet, but it's alright. Dude, this is so sketchy to climb around on because it's all so slippery. Ugh. Ugh. Let's see this. Grab onto this right here so I don't fall. That is not very good. Let's that right there. Oh, dude, that's slippery, bro. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? Hey. Bro, that's so cool. It like goes back into the cave. It's like a little skating rink for ants. Alright guys, so it's kind of dangerous, but I'm going to try to get a sweep of this place and just like try to let you guys capture the like natural beauty. Alright? Hey guys, so freaking glad to be back. I hope you guys know what I go through to get these thumbnails. Whoa! We're gonna go on the trails and maybe do a little parkour. Peace. Guys, so we're out here walking on this freaking trail. This place is freaking amazing. I can't even get over the beauty. Like, with the snow mixing with like everything, it's just awesome. Bro, there's a sick bridge out here. There it is. I'm about to run up one of these railings. Bro, definitely. Let's go! All right, Brendan, give me the countdown.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna try again.
3, 2, 1.
Nope, not. All right. Maybe I can just jump up. Haha! I got it. Oh my gosh. Give me the vlog, bro. It's scary being this high. Alright guys, check out what I'm seeing. Bro, this is sketchy. Look how freaking high up I am. You guys can't even tell. That's not fair. Whatever, it's worth it. Aw, dude. I am so scared of heights. Bro, this is insane. Let's go. I'm gonna walk across this whole bridge. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is sickening, dude. Alright, I'm not gonna... That doesn't look sturdy, so... Gonna hop back up here. Here, Brendan. Hang on. I forgot my bag. Let's get a quick little video of me. Bro, I'm up here. I'm up here, boys. Bro, I'm up here. We about to freaking get this. Let's go. Backflip off of it. Ah! Did you guys like how cool that was? Yeah, totally believable. Bro, check out these freaking rocks. Bro, do you guys see these freaking rocks? Oh my god! Look at this. Dude, we're gonna go climb on them. If you think we ain't gonna climb on them, who are you, bro? Who are you, bro? Freaking go. Bro, this is sick. About to climb up all these rocks. I don't know if you guys see this, but that's really high up and really kind of straight up. Let's go. And just so you guys know, I'm vlogging, bro. So I'm about to do this one-handed. Let's get it. Actually, yeah, let's go. What? Whoa. Bro, it looks like a nest. Check that out. Whatever. Oh, you guys see those Bigfoot conspiracies? Guys, I think we got ourselves a squatch. Holy crap, this is insane, bro. Ah! Alright, setting the vlog right. There we go. Oh, about to fall. Come on. There we go. There we go. Dude, it'd suck if I pulled one of these humongous rocks down on me. There we go. Bro, we are so high up right now. Oh my god. I got a rock between my cheeks. This is life, bro. This is what we're talking about, bro. This is life! Let's go! Alright, so I'm gonna have my videographer, aka my brother, record the rest of the climb, but it's gonna be lit. Hey, let's go. Bro, this is sick. Oh my god. I have to come back down and get the vlog just for this. Ow, my eyes. come here, vlog. Get in my hand, survival gang. Alright guys, this is treacherous enough with 2 hands. Let's go 1 hand. Oh shoot, sliding. Oh my gosh. Here we are, guys. This is freaking sick. Kind of want to go down in it and see what's up. But check this out. Alright guys, we're actually going down in it. Holy cow. Bro, this is cool. It's like a cave. Call me a splunker. Splunking is cave exploring, in case you didn't know. Bro, sick. This is insane, bro.
Watch your head.
Oh! A huge icicle about took me out. Going up back in here. Bro. Exploring a cave in the woods. Should that be the title? We need some clickbait now. No. Let's keep going. Bro, this is insane. I can't get any farther. This is so cool. Oh, you got me. Finally got me, Bill. What? The Clark Street crater. That's cool. There's even like ice in here. Oh, it's so cool. Alright, I'm getting out of this hole. So we finally made it So we finally made it to the top. This is insanely beautiful, guys. This is what life's all about. Stuff like this, but you want to live it. Guys, join the survival gang. Hit that subscribe button right now, because now's the best time to do it. If you're not one of those people that want to get outside and enjoy nature, I can supply that to you through your phone. But you gotta smash that subscribe button. Let's go, be a part of the survival gang and get some merch. Downstreamdive.bigcardell.com. It'll be a link in the description. I'll see you guys later. This is where I'm ending the video, guys. I will see you guys later. Make sure you watch the last video that we took here. It wasn't that long, so if you're worried about taking time out of your day, bro, just stop being a baby and watch my freaking video, because it's the shit. Alright guys, we out, but this isn't the last time we're gonna be making a video. But bro, like I said, subscribe, make sure you like the video, and stay tuned, because in the next few weeks I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, so hopefully you want to see that. But this is it. Alright guys, I will see you later. Peace out. I love you.